Ever wondered how precision welding tackles thermal challenges? Laser technology is the game changer. Our ULSR soldering module uses a closed-loop control system for unmatched precision. No more halo or focus issues. With a coaxial CCD camera, we ensure perfect alignment every time. Laser meets the spot, exactly where it should. Semiconductor lasers offer higher efficiency and lower power consumption. Compact, flexible, and ready to integrate. Real-time temperature monitoring and PID algorithms prevent burnouts. Stability and adaptability in one package. Why settle for less when you can have precision, efficiency, and reliability? Discover how laser welding can transform your production line today.